Hello everyone. In this part 1 of sequence and series, I let you know about sequences, progressions and series. So let's start with the sequence. What is a sequence? A sequence is an ordered list of numbers. It means बहुत सारे नंबर्स को जब हम एक ऑर्डर में रख देते हैं then it will form a sequence. Now the ordering should have a definite and logical rule. और जब हम इस ऑर्डर में नंबर्स को अरेंज करते हैं या ऑर्डर में नंबर्स अरेंज होते हैं, इसके पीछे एक डेफिनेट एंड लॉजिकल रूल होना चाहिए. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, इट नीडेड नॉट टू बी अ मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला बट इट शुड बी लॉजिकल. ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला होना चाहिए, बस एक लॉजिक होना चाहिए, एक लॉजिकफुल पैटर्न होना चाहिए इन नंबर्स को लिखने के लिए. Now there are the few important points. Number A, the number in the list are called terms. जो ये numbers होते हैं इन्हें हम terms कहते हैं. An is called the nth term of the sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on. Now look at this thing. The nth term is also called the journal term of the sequence. Now if there is an example, this is the example 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now look at this thing. Behind this there is a logic. All are even numbers. So in general we can write down an is equals to, what is this, 2n, where n belongs to n. So this can be represented by this logical term and it is known as the nth term. If we will put n is equals to 1, this is the first term which is represented by a1. This is the second term, this is a2, this is the third term and this is the fourth term and so on. Now another example, if this is the example, what is this, 2, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, this is the part. Now this is also a sequence because behind this there is a logic. All these are the prime numbers, but for this sequence we are not able to find out this logical formula, and you can say this is explicit formula. So even then we are not finding any explicit formula for this, but still this is a sequence. Still this is a sequence. Now another term is progression. A sequence is said to be progression if the terms of the sequence can be expressed by some explicit formula. Now look at this thing. This is a sequence, first one, this example, but second example is a sequence, but it is not a progression, because for this we are not able to find out any explicit formula. If we are not finding any explicit formula to represent the any sequence, then it is not said to be a progression. Suppose I am taking this example. One example is -1, 1, -1 and so on. Then for this there is an explicit formula, and this is an minus 1 raised to power n, where n belongs to n. So this is a progression. In the same way, another example is this. For this you can find out any explicit formula. Now another term is Fibonacci sequence. So what is this Fibonacci sequence? This is a special type of sequence in which each term is the sum of the previous two terms starting with 1 and 1. It means क्या हुआ, ऐसा कोई भी सीक्वेंस जिसमें फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड टर्म 1 1 होती है एंड उसकी जो नेक्स्ट टर्म होती है वो प्रीवियस सम ऑफ टू टर्म्स के इक्वल होती है, दैट इज नोन एज द फिबोनाची सीक्वेंस. Now look at this thing. For this Fibonacci sequence, what is the example? Let us suppose this is 1, this is 1. Then next term will be 2, because 1 plus 1, 2. Next term will be 1 plus 2, 3. Next term will be 5. Next term will be 8. And this is the example. So this is known as the Fibonacci sequence. If anybody will say, give an example of Fibonacci sequence, then this is the way. आपको फर्स्ट और सेकंड टर्म हमेशा ए लेनी है, और जो नेक्स्ट टर्म है दैट शुड बी द सम ऑफ टू प्रीवियस टर्म्स. Then it will form the special type of sequence that is known as this will form the special type of progression that is known as the Fibonacci sequence. So always remember this thing. Every जो हमारे पास we are considering about progression, अगर वो explicit formula से generate हो रहा है या हम उसके लिए explicit formula दे सकते हैं, then it is a sequence. Otherwise it is not a sequence. Now next is series. Series is not a special term. Suppose we have a1 a2 a3 be sequence. अगर a1 a2 a3 हमारे पास sequence है, then the expression a1 plus a2 plus a3 and so on is called the series associated with the given sequence. अब देखिए हमारे पास ये क्या है, this is the progression. अब देखिए प्रोग्रेशन हो या हमारे पास कोई सीक्वेंस हो, अगर हम इस प्रोग्रेशन को वी विल राइट डाउन लाइक दिस 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on, then automatically this will be a series. So this is the special part of series, and this is known as the series associated with the given sequence or progression. Now let's start with this one or two journal questions related to this. Then it will be quite easy. Now look at this thing. First is write the first three terms of the given sequence whose nth term is given by an. Now look at this thing. In this first question, an is equals to n minus 3 upon 4. We have to write down first three term. Wherever is n, substitute 1. It means this is 1 minus 3. It means minus 2 upon 4. So what is this? Minus 1 upon 2. Then a2 for second term. This become minus 1 upon 4. Then a3 you can write down this is 0 only. So first three terms are minus half, minus 4, and what is this? 0. Now second question. In second question an is given n square upon 2 raised to power n, and we have to find out the a7 and a8. a7, what is this? Wherever is n, substitute 7. 7 square, 2 raised to power 7. 7 square is 49. As we know that 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 2 raised to power 5, 32. It means 2 raised to power 6, 64. So this become 128. Now we have to find out a8. It means 8 square upon 2 raised to power 8. 8 square is 64. 2 raised to power 8 is, what this become? This is 256. Now look at this thing. In question number 3rd, this is the Fibonacci sequence defined by a1 is 1, a2 is also 1, and this is an is equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. For n greater than 2, we have to find out an upon an plus 1 for n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is the part, it means we have to go to till a6. अब देखिए a6 निकालने तक हमारे पास ये गिवन है a1 and a2. Then first of all we will find out a3. a3 means a2 plus, what is this? a1. So what this become? 2 only. In the same way a4. a4 means a3 plus, now look at this thing, a3 plus, this is a2. Now a3 plus a2, because we are putting for 4. Now what is this? a3 is, we have 2. a2 is 1. It means 2 plus 1, this is 3. In the same way directly you can find out, or by putting like that only. Next is a5, 3 plus 2 5. a6, 5 plus 3 8. So this is the Fibonacci sequence. Now we have to find out for n is equals to 1. For n is equals to 1, we have to find out 1 upon a2. So this is 1 only. For n is equals to 2. For n is equals to 2, what this become? a2 upon a3. a2 upon a3 means, what is this? 1 upon 2. For n is equals to 3, what this become? a3 upon a4. a3 upon a4 means, what this become? 2 upon 3. For n is equals to 4. For n is equals to 4, what this become? a4 upon a5. What this become? 3 upon 5. For n is equals to 5, what this become? a5 upon a6. So a5 upon a6 is 5 upon 8, and these are the answer. So on the basis of this thing, revise this. This starting point is very, very important. On the basis of this thing, try to solve other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.